All right. Hello. Hello. This is Happy or Andrea, your teacher. And I wanted to show you guys how to access um, the Collaborate for the Collaborate meetings that we're going to have. Now, don't worry about this yellow bar. That's because I'm in student mode. It's a warning to let me know I'm in student mode so I can show you. But I wanted you to see it exactly how you'll view it. So to get into the class Collaborate, right now, I have to click the arrow, but you might not. Yours might actually look like this. So to get into our Collaborate session, you're going to see the name of our class, of course, and over here in our nav bar, right here where it says Class Collaborate, all you do is click that. And then once you click it right here at the top, there's just one. All you do is click that. It's going to ask you, do you want to join the course room? You'll say yeah. And then it's going to take you right into the course. This is exactly how you're going to get in each week. If you, just to show you a few more things, if you, this tab up here, this black, this is how you can like communicate with Collaborate and get help, look at the privacy policy. You can tell them about Collaborate, what you think, what you want to add, report an issue, and you can use your phone. And you leave the session through here. And then to close it, all you do is click the X. Over here, this purple tab is where you get to some of the more fun things. Up here is your chat. You'll see the chat up here. Over here, you would click here. Oh, and also you got some formatting. You can send it here. You can look at the attendees. You'll see that it's just me. Right here is where you share content. So like if I'm like, oh, show me your screen, this is what you'll click, this little purple arrow. And if you wanted to change your settings, you can change your settings here. Okay, like your audio or your camera and things like that. All right, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you this quick video, how to navigate Class Collaborate. Again, you go into the class and you'll see it right here below discussion board. It'll say Class Collaborate. That's how you enter. That's where we're gonna have our meetings. And that's it. Until next video, ta-ta for now. Ta-ta, ta-ta, ta-ta.